Hello everyone. Today we are going to look into LeetCode problem, letter combinations of a phone number. So the statement of the problem is we are given a number that is digits, and the constraint for these digits are all the values in the digits are from 2 to 9 only. And what we need to find is we need to find all the combinations of the letters. So let's directly jump into example 1 to understand the issue better. So we should refer to this picture while understanding this issue. So we are given digits as 23, and here you can see two consisting ABC and three consisting DEF. So let's say two consisting ABC and three consisting DEF. Okay, so we need to find the combination of these two lists. What is the combination? So let's say this first number, the first letter, and this first letter. The combination of these two, the sum of these two strings, and so on, like A, E, and A, F, and B, D, B, E, and B, F, C, D, C, E, sorry, C, D, C, E, C, F. So this is the end result we need to get. And what are the constraints given are our digits maximum length will be 4 and minimum length will be 0, and as I have already mentioned, digits consisting of numbers from 2 to 9. As we don't have anything under number 0 or 1, they are ignoring it, and we are very sure that we will get only these 8 numbers. So today in this session I am going to explain the brute force method to solve this problem. So let's explore brute force, then we can look into optimized way in our future sessions. Okay, so what is my solution? What is the actual thought about behind solving this issue is, so I'm going to have a list for all the numbers, for all the possibilities, for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. I'm going to store all of these numbers into one list, and I'm going to pick each number respect to list of letters, and I will try to create all the possibilities by the respective loops, and return the result. This is the main logic, and let's directly start writing the code so that we will definitely understand in a more better way. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to check if digits, okay, if digits is equals to empty. So we are having this possibility, right? So digits must can be zero also. Then here we are given some example also. What we need to do is we can return we need to return empty list. That is, let's create one. Okay, let's create one. Let's try to return it. Sorry, result. Okay, if digits are not equals to empty, then our main uh, this is our main problem. So what I'm doing here is I'm creating all the possibilities of all the respective list. Like that means for two, we should have A, B, and C. Basically, I'm creating a dictionary. For, this is for two, and for three it is DEF, and for four it's GHI. So I'm just creating a dictionary. So for creating this dictionary, I'm going to create a method. So I'm just going to refer a method. It's very simple method. This one. So what is this method is doing? We are taking an simple uh, empty array, and we are adding all the possibilities. in the respective indexes. That's it. So it's very simple. We're taking an array and we are adding all the values. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to access this method. So that's it. So we have our cat list. What is the next thing? So I'm going to add my combinations from backwards. Backwards means from left to right. Let's say we have 23, 4. This is 234 is the number. First, I'm going to add all the possibilities for 4. Then I'm going to do for 3. Then I'm going to do for 2. Yes. So before doing that, we must need to convert our given string to number, right? Yes, it's converted. So after converting it, what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to assign the result. So I'm going to, here the result is embedded. So what I'm doing is I'm accessing the respective number. Like let's say digits is 23. I'm taking the value of the last number, that is 3. I'm checking the respective result. So for 3, this is the respective list, right? So I'm taking that particular list and I'm assigning that to result. Okay. So that means num percentile 10 minus 2. Why minus 2? By doing num percentile 10, for example, if our digits is 23, we are going to get, by doing num percentile 10, we are going to get 3. But third index, we have different list. So we need to access minus 2. That means this one. Okay. Let's, okay, it's after assigning the particular, after accessing the particular, sorry, after assigning the particular uh, list, we are going to start our loop. So what I'm doing is I'm removing the last digit as it is already added. We are removing our last digit from the number. That means if the given number is 234, we removed 4 and now our number is 23. I'm going to start a loop, okay, and it will be run while num is greater than 0. Okay, and one more thing I'm going to do is, what I'm going to do is, so as I told before, so let's say we have 2 3 4. First I'm going to add this 4 to our result, and I'm going to find the combination of this particular list and this particular list. I'm going to find all the combinations and assign these two numbers combination to our result. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, we need two for loops. In one for loop, I'm going to look through result, and another for loop. Okay, in another for loop, I'm going to look through the last element from our modified number. Okay, that means let's say given digits is 234, and we remove the last digit after this particular line, after the 11th line, and we are having 23, and now we are taking the last digit, that is 3, and again we are taking the respective list, and we are iterating through each variable of this particular list. So after these two for loops, I'm going to add this particular result to a list. So let's see what you will get to know once we are done with creating this list. So I'm going to add that particular combination to this list. Okay, I'm adding. Okay. You can see I just added one combination, and we after particular these two, after completing these two loops, we have all the combinations in our list too. Okay, so now I'm going to assign this to our result. Okay, result previously consisting, so if the given digits is 234, result previously consisting all the values related to 4. not result, sorry, result is consisting all the values related to 4. Now after running through this loop, I'm going to assign the list to result. List is nothing but it is consisting all the combinations for this result and the next cost value, that is 3. Okay, okay, it's done. And what is the next thing? So after assigning num result, we need to remove the last number from this num. So if these two things are done, so it will go through until number is equals to 0. Okay, number is less than or equals to 0. Yes, now we can simply do what we can do is we can simply return result. Let's give it a try. Oh, what is the issue here? Is some conversion related issues. Maybe we may need to add I list here as well. Let's give it a time. Oh, compile time error. What is this? So again, it is showing some error. What is this error? We cannot create abstract type. Okay. Mm, so we cannot create abstract type, and let's give it a try. I think we somehow having issue with this particular type collection. This two, this. Oh, sorry. Mistake is mine only. It should be string only. Sorry. And I think now it will work. Yes. This is a broad force way to solve this issue. Let's give it a try to submit. Yes. Obviously, it is not very optimized way. I already mentioned that it is not optimized, but in next session we are going to see how we can optimize the solution in a better way. Okay. This is for today. Thanks.